brother needs to empty his basket.
Oh, this is getting heavy. Oh, it's getting heavy. Oh.
Wow. Oh, just wet eggs.
Mine's on the top.
Hold on. Morgie, stop.
Stop.
Because you know what? When you're all done, if you have more than him, you're going to have to give him some.
Alright, go get him, Doug.
Dougie, how about that here?
I just want the fancy ones like this.
There's still some on the sandbox.
What?
I think Dougie might have to do the full bite.
I only know if there's any
Hurry.
inside.
Come here.
I don't think there's any inside. Come on, bud, hurry up.
Come here. You come with me, bud. Over here. Step on it.
It's a lot of eggs, Morgan. Come here, let me see them all.
Here you go.
Good job.
I need to get out of that grass. My shoes are smoking.
Yeah, well, so now I'll just remove the rest of that thing.
Look, there's some over on the
Kitchen.
kitchen over here. Or on the, yeah.
I think we covered the yard, except for this part of it. I'll grab these two because they're kind of hard to get.
There's still some up by the pool. Let's go.
Oh! Mom, can I pour mine out yet?
Yeah?
Go ahead, pour yours out.
Here's your brother.
There's so much in this bag.
Go on, bud. Get him.
Hey!
Get him.